Power Packs, our educational video series. I'm Rachel, and today we'll be discussing the importance of taking care of your CI drum and the advantages of having a printing press with an automated drum cleaner. Allowing your CI drum to get dirty can lead to serious consequences to your overall print quality. Continuous printing without cleaning can lead to the accumulation of ink on the drum. This ink buildup will result in uneven ink transfer to the substrate and can also cause the web to move while printing. This contributes to print defects and poor print quality. Regular cleaning of your CI drum should be part of your daily press maintenance. With modern-day technology, this process has never been easier for your operators. Integrating a drum cleaner into your printing press ensures that the operator does not need to climb into the press, handle cleaning solvents, or be exposed to large moving parts within the press. With an automatic drum cleaner, the cleaning solution is sprayed directly onto the drum and then gently wiped with a non-woven material, which removes any ink off the drum surface. The key benefit to having a drum cleaner is the reduction of downtime. Unlike manual methods, the web does not need to be taken out of the press. The drum cleaner operates efficiently, taking only 6 minutes for the entire wash-up cycle. This can be done during your normal job changeovers or during an ink wash-up, so there is no added downtime when cleaning the drum. Another advantage is the consistent and reliable cleaning it provides. By cleaning across the entire width of the drum simultaneously, it eliminates the possibility of missing spots that can occur from a cleaner that traverses across the drum or a person doing it manually. Implementing a CI drum cleaner into your press not only ensures a cleaner and more efficient printing process, but also brings about cost savings, improved print quality, and a safer working environment for your operators. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for future videos. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.